Hey guys, I'm Samantha Love and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, if you're not, welcome back. This is going to be like a quick intro because the video is kind of long and I did that on purpose. Like I didn't edit it except for some areas I did have to edit because I don't want my video getting taken down. Yeah, in this video me and my mom are going kayaking. I'm filming this intro at work actually during my break. It's been a couple weeks since this happened, but anyway, me and my mom went kayaking, and kayaking is kind of big in my family. We love doing it. We love going outdoors, being on the river, whether that's boating, kayaking, fishing, whatever. And I just wanted to share the calmness and how peaceful it is. I can't remember if we had good conversations or whatever, but it was very relaxing, and I hope it relaxes you. So if you're stressed when you watch this, just watch the whole thing and hopefully you'll feel relaxed at the end. It's very calm, collective, especially the part on the water. But yeah, and I also wanted to, show some countryside of me because I do live in the country right now. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. Like it if you want to, and subscribe if you haven't already. No one's making you, no one's begging you, but if you do, it's greatly appreciated, and thank you. Like that. I don't know if we're it, but it should be. Alright, baby girl. Now explain where we're going.
Okay, we're going to go to a little lake. Put our kayaks in, or kayak. We have a tandem kayak, so Sam wants to take pictures. She wants to go out on the water. And hopefully I'll just don't cut too sharp. You got it, girl.
Okay.
So the water temperature I'm anticipating is cold, and of course, if you know anything about riding in a kayak, water comes in right around the seat area. So sorry about that. We're having technical difficulties. So I'm trying to hold it a little bit. So as I was saying, the water temperature I'm anticipating is cold, C-O-L-D, and
Okay.
we're going to be freezing in just a little while. Feels good outside. Oh, it feels so good.
It's a little cloudy, but the sun's peeking through. You hit the red, Mom.
Okay, so I went the wrong way. So there's
You're narrating?
cows. Oh, let's see. They're all the way down there eating their dinner.
There's not a lot of cows though. There's less cows than that number.
Actually, there's a baby. I saw her yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, there's one of them calved. So, yeah. It's a bumpy road, so my apologies. I'm bouncing.
You're a funny narrator, Mom.
There's Miss High Top there with her.
Can you see me?
I can see you.
Do you have it at 0.5? I mean, does it have to be?
It's 0.5. We have some of our neighbors have a pool out here. Anyway, turning in.
Don't mow.
Huh?
You just mowed.
Oh, did I?
Yes.
Sorry, I can't stand these.
Look at the
All right, wait a
flowers.
minute. Be still a second. Okay.
Look at the flowers.
There's the cows looking at us. When they see a truck or a vehicle come in here, they think they're going to get fed.
You guys are eating right now.
Yeah, so they're like, what are you here for?
Look at the flower field. The
Oh
fields,
my
the
God.
flowers.
I stopped. Oh, I missed it.
Now you gotta open the gate. So now, since I drove, I'm making my mom open the gate. Because when I was younger, she would drive, and I would open the gate.
Put it on me a second. Always come prepared in the woods, alright?
I'll blur it, but yeah. I don't have one of those. I have a sharp tool. That's what my protection is. Not a pew pew. But yeah, so she's unlocking it because the tables have turned. I'm tired of getting bitten up by mosquitoes and horse flies and wasps and stuff like that, so she can deal with it. But yeah, we're at the landing now. It's called Camden Lake. Camden? One of those. Look at the field. But yeah. Going kayaking. I've been waiting for weeks and weeks. Only like 2 or 3. But I really want to go on the boat, but can't go on the boat this weekend, so we're going kayaking. And I hope it doesn't rain on us, but the sun's coming out, so. And I really want to tan. Like my mom said, I really want to tan. Like, but I'm not getting sun poisoning. I've already tanned twice, and I didn't get sunburnt, so. My face is red, yes, because I'm hot.
You know what? Hey y'all. I came in here the other day to check the lock, and there was a baby fox. Well, it's not a baby fox, but it looked bad. It went running that way.
You look bad.
Poor fox. We're here. See the one? That's kind of high. So I guess good for us.
Why is there a chair right there? Did it wash up? What is it? I got my safety. Oh, about to take off. We accidentally put our stuff in the wrong one. I was telling them that we accidentally put our stuff in the wrong one, so now we switched.
Cause normally, the last time we came, she was little. I was in the back.
Last time we came.
Last time I rode tandem with you, you were in the front because you were smaller than me.
Yeah, but last time I was in the single.
Okay. Last time I rode here.
You ready? Can we push off from here?
You need to turn it sideways and get into the stand. Because it don't feel
I'm gonna go ahead and put my shoes in there. Could be a beaver or something.
I thought it was a beaver because I saw one.
Can you put my shoes up there, please? Thank you. Can we push off from here though?
Say what?
Can we push? No. Can we?
I guess we can try. If it don't work, we can get out.
Okay, here, hold my camera.
Honey, I can't. I got a paddle.
Why are you scared? Go back? You want me to move? Okay, you said stop moving. might be doing this for a while. Okay, we're in motion now. Oh, I can't reach. I can't. Okay.
Okay, just chill out. You like, whoa.
I wasn't doing anything. I was setting my camera up.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Tomorrow was wow. Please, Lord, no alligators. Huh? Hope we have a safe trip. And if something does happen, it's good. If something does happen, be with us, Lord. And give us the strength, the knowledge, the will to deal with it. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
This and chill. This and chat. This. This. Nah.
If you start getting a lot of water back there, you better let me know so we can have you in there.
Okay.
Like a 7.62 is really a 7.62. I don't know, Dad. You need to call Vic. Explain it.
Hey, that tree had little flowers on it.
You want to go see them?
No? Who?
I said, did you want to go see them?
No, they're dead. I can see from here. Don't need no gator popping in my face.
No, they wouldn't.
You know what you're supposed to do if a gator comes at you?
Run.
Poke him in the nostrils.
You're supposed to put a bullet in their eyeball because that's the only place that you can pierce them.
But if you don't have a gun, you heard that story? That little girl got attacked by a gator and she survived because she poked it in the nostrils? Yep.
Did not hear it. They have bubbles ahead.
Wish it was Saturday. Yeah, I just saw a fish flop.
Probably mudfish. Or it's either a mudfish or a turtle. One or the other. In the Eastern Park.
Bow, 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 bow.
Traveling right over there. So where from here? Let's go. You going that way?
Yeah. It's not over yet. I wish it was sunnier.
I saw a snake on that moss limb over there.
Just now?
Huh?
You said you saw?
I said, is that a snake on that moss limb over there, or was that just
That
my
look.
imagination?
That's just your imagination.
Okay. I have that lot. Sometimes I like to lay on things and float down the river with it. I'm just saying. I do. Silk moon.
Hear the cows. Moo.
Have you ever been that way and seen what like that?
No, I don't think so. You talking about where we took a right, we go left?
Oh, we took a left. I said we turned left, but they go right past our place.
That's where we came out of. We took a right.
Yeah.
So instead of, well, let's go straight first, and then come back, and then. You want to record some of you?
Yeah.
Do you have a place to put it in front of you?
No.
Huh?
Not we can see out the boat.
No, I'm talking about like see you.
Yeah.
I did now.
I wish I had a place to put it to see where we're going. I know what we can do for you though.
Huh?
Get a bicycle helmet and put one of those car mounts on the front of it. And you can use it like a GoPro.
No, I have a phone tripod. It can like suck to anything, and it's magnetic or something like that, so it holds my phone.
We could put it right on
Very
the
easy to
we
fall
could,
off.
huh?
So, but it's very easy to fall off.
No, that's what
Like it wouldn't be safe to use in a
right.
kayak.
Right.
If you use it in a boat, it's like put it in an area where it won't be beside the water.
Maybe the crows will swarm us again. I doubt it. They're going through the swamp. We might see them on the other side. Where we're going. Maybe we'll cut them off at the pass.
That's ours?
Yeah. Go in there and check things out. Need to bring the clothesline so we can hang the things out and air them out one day when it's bright and sunny. It's about time for the yellow jackets to hatch though. It's getting very close. I'm surprised they're not out by now.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
Am I splashing you to death? I'm so sorry.
The grass is good, but it kind of don't with the wind.
It's cold.
They don't feel good with the wind. Is it still recording you?
Yeah.
You don't want to keep that?
Okay, so I'm supposed to be talking to y'all.
Huh?
You want to steer and I can show them the scenery?
You said sing.
You want to steer? You want to paddle?
Sure.
I'll turn it around.
Huh?
I'll turn this thing around maybe. Okay, so I'm letting Sam paddle for a while.
I get you in the back.
No, you're good. Don't worry about getting me wet. I knew I was going to get wet before I started this trip. Yeah, on the water's not that bad, but the wind is,
Well, I mean, it has its moment.
So, and it's overcast. So, it gets a little chilly when you get wet. We should have been, well, we got swarmed. I say swarmed. There was like a whole flock of crows that went right over us a minute ago.
It was so pretty though.
And then something spooked it and they
Like
all took off at the same time. It was kind of crazy.
the wind sounded pretty. It was cool seeing them fly above us and then fly away.
So that tree will be falling soon. It is, yeah, just Mother Nature.
I like how there's like, most of it's dead, but then there's like a little bit of life.
Cypress. The real green stuff is cypress trees. Why is there a cow over here? We keep hearing a cow.
That's the farm.
I didn't know they had cows over here. The cows that are by our place are on the other end of the lake.
Hey, there's a big turtle on that log over there.
Where?
Over there.
Where?
Behind those trees though.
She sees a turtle somewhere.
Over there.
Oh, I see it now.
There's two.
There's two. They're huge.
They're humongous. They fell in the water.
Did they?
Yeah, one of them did. I don't know about the other one. But I imagine one did.
You hardly ever see them that big anymore. See him through the
Oh, he's
trees?
still there.
One of them is. He's getting ready to drop. There he goes. Boom.
Well, no, they kind of look like a snapping turtle.
No, that's not a snapping turtle. Those are like box turtles. So this is the backside of where they're doing that construction. Looks like they're dumping a lot of stuff on the edge of the lake.
It's a watering system, like a pipe, soft ones.
No, those are, looks like they cut the trees down and tossed them on the backside of the lake here. See how the wind's blowing? You can hear it. Look, she's gonna get us in the trees. You need to get us to the other side.
I put my glasses on. Where does this connect to?
We can actually go to the river. You remember we went through the, were you with us that day? We took the kayak
Well, we went all the way
to the river.
what's it called?
That was called
Watson
Little Petey River. No, Watson Landing is the complete opposite direction.
Oh yeah, that's right. White Oak is also the other direction.
Yes.
But there's a lot of turns and stuff. You can't really.
Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all. Yeah, she made me holler earlier because she about flipped us out this here boat.
No, I didn't.
I just knew I was getting wet all over. Even though my legs are numb at this point.
I look cool doing this. I look like I know what I'm doing.
Huh? Yeah.
That's enough for
Those.
my phone.
One piece of tree.
That's so funny. I wonder what did that. What is what? Is it? I'm about to find out. Huh? What'd you say?
That was hard work.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's, I feel like that's the fun part. Is going against the current. I like going against the current.
Well, not better than just coming with the current because I kept wanting to turn the sideways. And I'm like, snake, where's the snake? Look.
Good Lord's watching out for us.
And the water was so low. Remember, the thing was only like this wide. And there was a couple of places that where was cottonmouths laying up on the side. Oh my Lord, have mercy.
I need to brush my teeth.
I need to take a break.
You take a break, girl?
Huh?
We're flowing.
It's still going the wrong way.
No, it's not. You take a break. I got us.
Well, you don't have to tell us. Just don't let us go the opposite.
No, I need to exercise. Haven't gone to the gym in a minute. What'd you say?
Sun's trying to come out again.
I know.
There it goes.
When tomorrow comes.
If I was your age, I'd be wanting to climb on those trees and just lay in them. Like a monkey.
Well, I wouldn't. My day and age,
I love the palm trees.
When tomorrow comes. Take my glasses off. If you see anything, let me know. Oh, here's your thing that I was trying to give you earlier.
Oh. Where'd you get that?
Off a tree.
That's one. I look last one.
Like what?
Palm seeds.
Well, it was on something. I don't know.
That thing that had the pink flowers on it?
No.
you let those try out, we plant something. See what it is.
Should plant them in front of the house.
We need to go plant that catawba tree. We need to ask Meepo where he wants it, and we need to go plant it. It's gonna die if we don't.
We should plant it in the front of the house. Yeah. The sun is shining in our faces. Yeah. And bubbles on the river in front of us. You like my song, Mom?
Yeah, I think, girl.
I'm paddling me as my mom on the river. Just floating. Converting. Huh?
In your life, if you ever end up in a new city, you'll miss all this right here.
Well, I mean, I feel like I like the city, but I like the country. I like the country, but I like the city.
I know. There's the thing I like about the
Country
city,
is my home roots.
the thing I like about the city, you don't have to drive a whole.
I know, you can walk. You can take, nowadays you can take scooters.
See, if I lived downtown someway where I used to live and it was like it is now, I would have loved it. It was just as dead as Marion was when I graduated college. When I was in college and graduated college, it was just like Marion, dead as a doornail.
Marion, I wouldn't say Marion's dead as a doornail. I mean, they got a flea market. They have fudge shop, ice cream,
But they didn't.
protein bowls, thrift stores, antique stores. The sun went away. Oh, the tree's blocking it. It was nice while it lasted. Oh, gosh. Is that cigarette number 3?
Huh?
Is that cigarette number 3?
Yeah.
Girl. Those cows.
Those are tiny things.
Not the Trump flag. What's your favorite thing about going out here, Mom?
Huh?
What's your favorite thing about going out here? I like the calmness, the stillness, the water, the nature, the life,
You know what I like most about it?
the not life. Huh?
You know what I like most about it?
What?
It calms my soul.
Yeah. So I'm saying the calmness, it's like when you're in a calm area, it's like you have no choice but to be calm, you know?
But the reality of life and death is forever around you.
Yeah.
One wrong move.
Right. Like we could flip, we could see a gator and it come attack us, we could
Get bit by
a snake, right? Or like we get lost and our phones die and no one's around us, and, and we die of starvation.
You're taking a bit.
No, I'm just kidding. I feel like if we got stranded, we could survive. Me and you. Oh, Mom, look. One of those things fell on me.
Yeah.
You know what else I like? Like seeing houses like that, you know, and the stuff that washes up. It's like what was and what is, you know? What was and what is now. And, yeah. When tomorrow comes. Are we done?
I thought you said you wanted to go back.
Huh?
I thought you said you wanted to go to the zoo.
I think so. I'm kind of hungry. Okay, so my phone's on 2%. We made it back. Okay. We're done. Rate your experience.
10 out of 10.
Also 10 out of 10. Nothing like the country living, right?
Is
Right. I feel like a lot of people that are like some people. I don't know what's like. I don't. I feel like I don't really do a lot of. I don't show people my countryside. You know. I'm sorry. But I love country. The country. Right. This is the countryside of me. Gosh. Anyway. Here. This is the countryside.
she wants everybody to know this is the countryside of her. Stop! I gotta put the gate up.
I know, I gotta get enough room because of the kayak.
Oh. It's a good thing you're driving.
But yeah, this is the countryside of me. There's a lot of sides to me. My left, my right, my front, my back, my top, my bottom. But yeah, and I really enjoy doing stuff like this, like going on the boat, kayaking, fishing, hunting to eat, not for game. I don't do that. I don't like that. But anyway, but only certain animals. And like not often. Very not often. Anyway, but yeah. This is the countryside of me. I just think in the country, like it's the middle of nowhere sometimes. And like I'm not the rich country, not me. Not me. Because like we don't have farms, we don't have animals, we don't have stuff like that. But we do live around that and it's beautiful. God's creation, am I right? Like part of God's creation. It's so beautiful, and because of God. And because of God we can see it. And we can, because of God, I can spend moments like this with my family. Alright, go home.